Tasha, you would last like 2 seconds before getting swept down this river. That you know that? You would last like 2 seconds swimming in this river. Maybe 2 seconds. All right. Okay, so I don't even know what river this is. And this is serpentine, very green rock. There's some more serpentine. Some more. And there's Tasha Poo. Tay, come here. Come here, ding dong. Hey. And this is a very big tree, and there's the river. Now this is what I call a river. This is what I'm used to. This is what's up in Alaska, except a lot wider than this. But anyway, yeah, this is a good-sized river. Tasha? With lots of beautiful rocks. Here we go. And hi, Tay. Tay, what do you think about the river? Well, Tasha is just eager beaver to drink the water. Yeah. Don't get swept down the river, ding dong. I don't want to have to go and fetch you. There she is, playing and running and playing. And what do you think about all this river, Tapu? You like the river? Yeah? What do you think? You like this mighty river, don't you? Yeah, we're going today. Today we're going to Tahoe. Well, we're almost to Tahoe anyway, but South Lake Tahoe we're going. And, yeah. Excuse me. This is a nice, deep, fast, very fast river. Okay, Tay, let's continue on and we'll find another river. How's that? You want to find another river, Tay? Yeah. Oh, gosh. I'm going to get a dog sled and put her to work because she can pull me up a hill. I mean, no problem. Hey, pull me on a dog. Your muscle problem, Tay. Oh, we got to put on skills to work. Hey, look at her. Gosh, mushing away yesterday. Oh, God. Okay. I mean, I ran, I don't know, 5. Oh. And I'm out of show. I'm just wait, not eating, nothing healthy, lose anything the pit of something. Okay, clean. All right, here we are. All right, here's the beautiful trees. Wow, are they ever beautiful or what? Are they? What? Yeah. Okay. Hey, get over here. Try not to get muddy, okay? And this is cute little Tay. Get the car. Let's go. We got more places to go. I know. She doesn't want to go. She wants to stay with the river. Okay, Tay. There's a view of the river. Yeah. Okay, Tay, we can't be here all day. It's actually a nice river. Okay, let's go. We're gonna go see the snow, Tay. We're gonna go to ski resort today. Yeah, we're gonna go to the mountains and ski resort. Get up. Come on, we got things to do. All right, so signing off, my dear.